Ramogi Jopuonj mag mbalariany Ramogi bade ma Eldoret oramoni gibiro dhi nyime kod ng'anyo margi modonjo odiechieng' mar 9 nyaka chop jotend mbalariany winj dwachgi. Kutelne kod jagoro margi Richard Okelo gikoni deko mar osachgi hinyogi malach kendo chulogi matin bende en ataro mar orak margi. Karan mar wasu bade ma Eldoret Nyabuta Oyuki okoni jopuonj mag mbalariany go sane sandore mokalo kaluwore moko kuomgi nitiere kod gope mane gihole bengi. Ka giloso Eldoret gitielo ni onge dok e tich nyaka winj dwachgi.
Vice Chancellor, who said that he cannot rely on bank drafts, overdrafts, to pay salaries, that he wants to save money. We don't know where he's saving the money to when people are going through these other pecuniary injustices and embarrassments everywhere here. So, the pension must be sorted. Our pension scheme has not paid the staff who have retired for the past 3 years because Moi University has not remitted the money they deducted from staff. The bill is growing each month. Pension alone, 4.2 billion. Not remitted by Moi University. That money must be remitted for us to go back to work.
Asked the employer to avail to us the memorandum of understanding that it has with these financial institutions. They have denied us access to that particular piece of information. Yet one of the banks has now turned rogue and has taken our members to court. Behind me here, these people standing here, 53 of them have been taken to court by Faulo Bank because Moi University deducted money from their salaries, did not remit, yet Moi University was the agent that the bank chose under the MOU that they had. We want to access that particular information to help us handle this matter in court.